बताया ना आपको, दो दो टेक किए ना, एक हमारे टेक, उनके एक उनका टेक।
फिर हमने घुटने टेक दिए.
Sir, I want to congratulate you, sir, for making a fantastic film. This, but I would like to know, sir, Mr.
खड़े
Akshay
होके।
said, Mr. Akshay said,
नहीं, बैठ जा बैठ जा.
no problem, no problem.
Seriously, अच्छा नहीं-
Mr. Akshay said that he has taken 38 days to complete his shooting. So how long you have taken to complete this movie, sir?
Sorry, how long have I taken?
65 days.
65 days.
65 days. And how long you have taken for your planning, sir? When you have completed this film in 65 days, so how many days you have taken the planning that so and so day are we going to
42.
complete?
अब जाके
ये
realize
ऐसा था
हुआ.
कि इन्होंने कहा था कि ये प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस है, ये नहीं कहा था मैथ्स का एग्जाम देना यहाँ।
Acha sir, tell me something about the heroine. Why they are so quiet? Why they are not saying anything?
Not asking
Let
you.
me avoid them anything.
Because you have not asked them a question, sir.
Hey heroines, say something.
Hi. Hi. Jackie? Riso?
कोई तो पूछो।
Jackie?
माइक चाहिए मेरी ले लो.
Hi, Nargis and Lisa. My question is to both of you.
We have a question?
You guys also are working for the first time in the Houseful franchisee. How was your experience of working with all of them?
Nargis, go first.
I had a blast. This has been, oh, I shouldn't say this because I feel bad for the, this has been the funniest and the maddest and the coolest film I've ever worked on. So, yeah. And with the coolest people, funniest people, coolest people, warmest people. So, thanks guys for having me. What about comedy? It was fun, a lot of fun. Yeah. What about comedy? Comedy is great, and I had a great time doing comedy with these comedic guys.
Yeah, I had a great time doing it too. These girls are the coolest girls ever, and we actually had a lot of fun hanging out and cracking jokes. And I don't think I had to do abs for like a month because we would just be laughing so hard. What are you looking at? Yeah, and the guys are fun too, of course. But Sajid and Farhad are actually, I wanted to add when Abhishek was talking about how talented they are. When I went for the narration, they narrated the entire film from the beginning to the end, and they played every single character. I was amazed. They were like, oh, and then here comes Teddy. Yeah. So they're
And music. All the music.
My question is also to Abhishek and Ritesh. You both are working together after Bluffmaster together. So how was it getting back together?
How is it getting back together, D? We keep in touch. So
पर फिर भी कब के बिछड़े यहाँ अब यहाँ हम आके मिले हैं. But
it was great.
it was great.
What was nice is, even with say Baman or Akshay or Ritesh, we've all worked together. So I think it's like riding a bicycle. Once you've already worked with somebody, you just pick it up from where you've left off. So it was. I'm very happy I got the opportunity, not only with Ritesh but with Akshay, Baman, and all these beautiful ladies. So it was great. I think we picked up where we left off. No, D?
Absolutely. I think it was a wonderful experience. I was actually waiting to work with Abhishek for a very long time. And when I remember one day when Sergeant Narayawala called me up and said, okay, we've already spoken to Abhishek, I was really happy and excited that we're going to have a great bunch together. And Bomzi and Akshay and all the girls, Jaguda, we had a great time. And Chunky, of course, who can...
Mamma mia, thank God you remember.
फरहाद भाई, ये सवाल मेरा जग्गू दादा से. जग्गू दादा, अगर आप डायस पे जितने भी एक्टर्स हैं, अगर आप उनके बारे में अगर एक एक लाइन बोलें, क्योंकि आपके अंदाज में बड़ा अच्छा लगेगा. अगर आप अभिषेक से शुरू करके अगर.
I just have a question for Jackie afterwards. No.
Yep.
Ask her. Which Jackie?
जग्गू दादा. दादा अगर आप.
क्या बोलूं?
आप लेफ्ट से शुरू करके आखिर तक अगर एक्टर्स के बारे में एक एक लाइन या दो लाइन अगर आप.
तू क्या काम धंधा नहीं कर रही हूँ?
आपको सुनना है इसलिए.
ऊंचा क्या बोलूँ भाई? मैं पहली बार मैं जब स्टार ऐसा लगा मेरे बन गया है, जब बच्चा था अभिषेक और सिस्टर दोनों मेरे रूम में आए थे, बच्चन साहब मद्रास चेन्नई में कोरोमंडल ताज, मैं कुछ शूटिंग कर रहा था, मेरा जवाब की, और बच्चन साहब ऊपर रह रहे थे और उन्होंने 2 बच्चों को भेजा, तो कोई वहाँ के कैप्टन आके बोले कि 2 बच्चे हैं आपका ऑटोग्राफ लेने, कौन है? बोले बच्चन साहब का बेटा है। तभी जाके समझ में आया कि अरे यार कुछ बन गया, मैं बच्चन साहब का बेटा।
He's the first person whose autograph I've ever taken in my life. After
Yeah.
Hero, I remember.
So sweet.
Yeah. We were so excited. I was
No,
very
so
young, and we were big fans of Jagu Dada. We used to all wear that bandana. दाढ़ी तो थी नहीं, but we used to take all these drumsticks and try and play the flute.
But they were sweetest kids. इतने छोटे दोनों बच्चे थे।
अभी बड़े हो गए ना दादा।
अभी भी
बैठा हुआ हूँ मैं।
दाढ़ी दिख रहा है लविंदा दिल पे। मगर I think he's one of the finest. I really like him hell of a lot. He's a great kid. Absence of malice. That is what I like about him. कि किसी के बारे में उल्टा सीधा नहीं, अपना ये जो है वो देख के निकल लेता है और काम बराबर, और काम जब करता है तो सब देखते रह जाते हैं। I worked with him in a lot of films. I like him hell of a lot. And well, my Nargis ji. Oh man, yeah, she's lovely. I'm not interacted much, but क्या बोलूँ इनके बारे में, वो खूबसूरत है और बहुत अच्छा काम करती है। हालांकि लैंग्वेज मेरी तरह है, हिंदी बराबर नहीं, इंग्लिश बराबर नहीं, गुजराती बराबर नहीं, मगर बहुत ऊंचा है। मगर जब भी बोलते हैं तो नो शी हैज़ द एक्सप्रेशंस। हाँ, है ना, मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ समझ भी नहीं रहा बोलता हूँ, मगर बहुत खूबसूरत उसकी जो भी है प्रेजेंस बहुत भारी है, क्योंकि इन लोगों के सामने टिकना मतलब बहुत ऊंचा बात है। दे मेकिंग अ फैंटास्टिक कपल, and this one she is absolutely we've seen the dance. मैं बोल रहा हूँ बराबर बोल रहा हूँ ना बिड़ू कि साजिद, हाँ नहीं, क्योंकि तुम लोग का प्लानिंग चल रहा है दोनों का कि कितना गोली देगा अभी, अब मेरे हाथ में दे ही दिया है तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ, क्योंकि ये चलते रहेगा, शाम हो जाएंगी, बाकी लोग से पूछे तो बेटर है, मगर आई थिंक शी इज डन अ फैंटास्टिक जॉब। वी सॉ द सॉन्ग, आई थिंक एकदम है, खूबसूरत है, क्या बोलूँ।
ये भी जैकी है,
ब्रदर्स में भी काम किया, बागी में भी कर रहा है, भावा के साथ भी कर रहा है, ऊंचा कलाकार है। मतलब इतना छोटा सा ब्रदर में एक छोटा सा सीन देखा था बाबा का, इनके साथ कर रहा था। आई टोल्ड यू, आई थिंक यू वर फैंटास्टिक, यू आर अ फैबुलस एक्टर, अ ग्रेट डांसर एंड अ सुपर लुकिंग गर्ल, फैबुलस। बाकी ये शाना तो अब क्या बोलूँ इतना बदमाश है, महा बदमाश है, कारड़िया नंबर 1 और 2 चश्मे की बात। They are fabulous in the film, they are superb in the film. I think I used to laugh a lot like this when Chichi Baba was there. Govinda used to do films. These guys are fantastic actors, where they are serious, they are bloody serious. He's done a villain's job, super. And you यार, तेरा airlift और तेरे बाकी के भी, तेरा रुस्तम भी आ रहा है, ये सब बहुत अच्छा खेल रहे हैं। These boys are fantastic, they are talented lot, they are solid lot. I think we have a great team out here, we have great guys, and Bowman Baba तो माँ की आंखें यार। He's the spine of the film. He's fantastic. I think I really like you hell of a lot as an actor, my brother, and the directors. दोनों जो आपको मैंने पहले आते बता दिया कि किधर मिला था, और आज माशाल्लाह दोनों जन संभाल लिया, समझा बिड़ू। बाकी मिठुन दा के बारे में बात करना चाह रहा है। मिठुन दा अनफॉर्चुनेटली है नहीं, मगर मेरा जान है, वो एक खूब ही भालो इंसान है। बाकी ये जो है बिड़ू, ये मेरे टाइगर को भी लाया, खंबा की तरह खड़ा कर दिया है, ये दूसरा पिक्चर भी दिया है। I think Sajid is a great guy. He's a wonderful producer, always smiling, and has done a super job, not just with us. I mean, बहुत सारी पिक्चरें बनाए बाबा ने। चंकी का क्या हो, तो वो जब भी आता है कुछ खा के ही जाता है, क्या नहीं क्या खा के जाता मालूम नहीं, मतलब सीन खा के जाता है। He's brilliant. बाकी समझिए, अभी मेरे बारे में ज़्यादा बोलेंगे तो पक जाएंगे। थैंक यू सो मच।
That was awesome. My question to the
Jackie, how was your experience working in Houseful?
my question to the director and the producer.
But Lisa had a question. Just a second. Yeah.
I just want to know what Jackie's experience of working in Houseful was. Seeing as it's your 3rd time.
Thank you, Lisa. No, I can't, like, seriously.
Just talk about yourself. How do you feel doing what you did?
Just talk about just talk about me and Nargis.
Of course. But, I mean, this was a very special one for me because in Houseful 1, I was there in Thanno. And then I was cast in Houseful 2, and like that was, I was, Dreams. Shut up, actually. And then I was there in Houseful 2, and that was like a huge thing for me. And now we...
No, that's not fair. No, Bruno.
No, this is what always happens. But he does this in the scene as well, by the way. So it's as much as it's amazing working with Akshay, and you learn so much because of his comic timing, it's also very painful. But yeah, now being part of Houseful 3, I mean, just to be there from the beginning of the franchise and to see it grow and, you know, to see like, you know, the addition of like different cast members and stuff. It's just been such an amazing ride, and to work with like two fantastic directors who really guided us through. I mean, you know, with the girls as well, we're pretty new to comedy, I think, and but like we had such a great time doing, you know, comedy because we were under your great guidance and we were, you know, acting alongside such amazing actors who know comedy so well. So it really kind of boosted our confidence and, you know, helped us. So thank you, you know, to Houseful 3, and yeah, thank you, Akshay.
My question.
Okay, thank you guys. Thank you very much for being patient, and हम लोग की सबकी बातें सुनी आप लोगों ने. अगली बार कोशिश करके हम इतनी बातें नहीं करेंगे. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आप लोगों का. I hope you guys have enjoyed this evening. Thank you very much again.
Thank you.